A roundtable meeting was organized at the Hotel of Agartala with the initiatives of Forest Department and Industry and Commerce on Wednesday. The program was attended by CM Dr. Manisha and Minister of Industries and Commerce Department Shantanu Chakma. On Wednesday, looking forward the development of forest and agroforest value chain development, Forest Department and Industries and Commerce took an initiative and organized a roundtable meeting at the Hotel of Agartala. The event was attended by CM Dr. Manisha and Minister of Industries and Commerce Department Shantanu Chakma, and also attended by Chief Conservator VG Jainer, Department of Industry and Commerce Principal Secretary KS Shetty and other officials of the department.
से आए हुए गेस्ट को मैं यही बोलूँगी कि लॉन्ग टाइम से हमारा स्टेट में सिर्फ लोग बोलते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री लगाना है, इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, तो हम कोशिश में है। हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मानिक शाह जी नेतृत्व में हम कोशिश में है कि त्रिपुरा में हम इंडस्ट्री लगाएंगे। तो इसीलिए मौका मिला है कि आप यहाँ आए हुए हैं। जितना भी आप अलग अलग सेक्टर से आए हुए हैं, सबको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप हमारा स्टेट में आप कुछ ना कुछ लगाइए। आपको भी हमारा स्टेट बहुत सुंदर है देखने में भी, और आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, हम हमारा तरफ से हम जितना संभव हो हम कोशिश करेंगे। और कोई भी दिक्कत होगा तो आप हमारे साथ, हमारा डिपार्टमेंट के साथ बात कर सकते हैं। तो कल भी मीटिंग है, इस मीटिंग में डिटेल्स डिस्कशन होगा। तो हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर जी यहाँ पे हैं, उन्होंने डिस्कशन करेंगे। और ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते हुए मेरा वाणी यहाँ पे विराम देता हूँ।
Tree, there are different kinds of trees we have, and from the bamboo has been shifted. Now it is not come under tree, so bamboo industry has been developed here, and because of to promote this agar sector, agar has been included in the list of trees for which felling permission from non-forest land is not required. Previously it was this to cut or to take or to this felling permission had been taken from the forest department, but as because it is in the private land, it has these are grown, so therefore it is not taken the permission from the forest department. Then agar tree registration process also has been simplified. Very simple, because ease of doing, our Honorable Prime Minister says, so in that line we are also making it very simple. And this quota for export of agar wood has been notified, what I already have said. Then what I earlier tried to tell you, that bamboo has been excluded for the requirement of transit permit for transportation throughout the state. Not only that, emphasis has been given over the past few years for plantation of commercially important bamboo species to enhance the resource base for proliferation of bamboo sector industry. You will be glad to know that as because the bamboos are plenty, we have 29 types of bamboo in Tripura, and out of these some of them are very useful and they are very good in nature. So by using this bamboo, we have agarbatti sector in Tripura, and we have, besides this reduction of bamboo waste and development of other byproducts such as bamboo briquettes and activated charcoal, etc., has been developed here. Here, the Tripura Nature Trails and Resource Limited has been notified. I don't know whether they have come here. So to promote eco-tourism in the state of Tripura, and this company will help.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.